High-efficiency particulate air, HEPA, filters are designed to remove at least 99.97% of particles with a diameter of 0.3 micrometers, including most bacteria and viruses. HEPA filters capture contaminants through multiple mechanisms, including interception, collision, and diffusion. They are essential for controlling particulate contamination in cleanroom environments. In addition to HEPA filters, other types of filters can be used in cleanroom HVAC systems, such as pre-filters, medium-efficiency filters, and activated carbon filters. The choice of filter depends on the specific requirements of the cleanroom class and the installation location.